Hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and I'm back with another laminating video. I suppose this is sort of a tips and tricks. Now you may already know this, but I got a few questions over the last few days and people are asking how could they laminate something without it making look like it's not laminated at all. Okay, so it's really easy. Like I say, you might have thought of it. So I've got a matte laminating pouch, alright, and I'm just going to do exactly what we've been doing to do it single-sidedly. So I've printed these beautiful papers off. I'm going to put the link to this lady's Etsy store because I found it the other day and she has the most gorgeous papers on there. So I'm going to put my first sheet in face down, okay. I'm then going to put 2 sheets of copier paper. Then I am going to put in my other sheet of printed paper and I'm going to put it face pattern side up, okay. So just what we normally do to get the single-sided lamination. So I'm going to run them through and I'll be straight back. Okay, so that's that pouch ran through and it's now laminated. So as normal, I am just going to trim away the edges just to open up the pouch, okay. We open it up and we just peel our paper away. So now we've got a one-sided lamination. Alright, now if you have any times where you want it double-sided laminated, all you need to do is take another pouch, okay, so take another pouch and you can use these 2 pieces of copier paper again. So open your pouch and now what you want to do is take 1 sheet of your paper that you've just laminated, okay, and you want to pop this one in pattern side up, okay. Then you want your paper in, put your 2 sheets of copier paper over the top and then put your last piece pattern side down, okay. And then we are going to run this through and basically it's going to laminate the other side. So I'll run it through and I'll be straight back. So we've got this laminated and again I'm just going to do the same thing. I am going to trim off the edges and I'm going to open this pouch up. So now when we open it up, we have got a double-sided lamination that doesn't look like it's been laminated at all. Now how awesome is this? And you can just feel difference in the thickness. I mean, that's like a thick board kind of now. Now obviously before some people come on and say, well, why not just laminate it the normal way? Because this is for people who don't want, you know, when you've laminated something you have those awful little sides, you can see the little kind of lips all the way around. If you want that, that's fine. If you don't, this is a way to do it. Now obviously I wouldn't be doing it all the time because it uses 2 pouches, but if it's something you need, you want that protection, that lamination, but you don't want it to look like it's laminated, definitely go for this because this is amazing. Now I've got a couple of little tips for you because what I found was when I had double laminated them, I just made these little bookmarks that I have a little bookmark die. I think I've got it here. Yeah, this one. It's from an AliExpress store, which is RLJ Lives. You get this, the big one, and you get a smaller one, and you get like the little arrows with it. So I laminated them just like I've done, and then I die cut them. Now what I found was, when I started to die cut it, because this is quite an intricate die with all those little holes, I found that the lamination started to peel, and I thought, oh god, no. So what I did was I took the 2 pieces of copy paper, and this is all I did. I put the bookmark in like that. I just put the other piece of copy on the top, and I just ran it through the laminator. Okay, it was all fine, and it came out and it completely sealed it back. So if you find, see, it's completely sealed it again. If you find that you've die cut it or whatever and it's starting to peel away, and I tended to find that just with the double-sided lamination, just do that. Put it into 2 pieces of copy paper and just run it through, and honestly it's just sealed the whole thing back up, because this is quite an intricate die, so it didn't surprise us really that it peeled. But anyway, do that and it will seal it back up from peeling. Okay, so that's another little tip there. But if I can find the link for this bookmark die, I'll put it on, because it's really nice. But you know, the quality of these now that they've been double laminated, I mean even one side laminated, it's still good. That is just so thick, and it's going to be protected from any liquids or anything like that, and it looks so much more professional. So as I said, you might already know, but you can definitely double side them. Now I mean, somebody just grabbing that would have no idea probably how you've done it, or that it's even laminated. But you know, that is just so thick, absolutely amazing. So I love it. So yeah, try that if you are looking to laminate something but you don't want it to look like it's laminated. And as I said, I will put the link to this lady's Etsy store, because I'm just, yeah, I want to just show you these as well. This is from the same store, and I laminated these just on one side because they are for my little ephemera pocket folders I'm making that I did in one of the other lamination videos. And all of these are from this lady's store. Now these are just absolutely beautiful, and I mean these are laminated in matte, but even laminating them in the normal glossy, it would just bring the colours out even more. So you know, it's your preference what you prefer, but absolutely beautiful papers this lady has. So I'll put the link for our Etsy store. I'll be back again at the weekend. I've got a beautiful tutorial coming up, so I think you're going to like it. Yeah, so thanks again for all the lovely new subscribers, the comments, the likes. I've been absolutely overwhelmed by it, honestly I have. I never dreamt that it would get this much response. So thanks again, thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.